Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got another unit here. I actually have it malamasked up. So I actually really do like doing these pieces, as it's kind of something new and it doesn't take as long as if I had to blast and paint this whole thing. It's kind of a lot quicker than that. So it is much more enjoyable in that sense, and I mean, who doesn't like to see nice new and get to drive new equipment? But let's get into painting this thing. We got a Nylac, this unit. So this is a 2024 L90 Volvo loader. Actually got two of them here. So this thing holds about 3 yards roughly. It's a nice size. Not too sure what motor is in it other than a Volvo engine. So I got this propped up. I got it all masked. The only thing I have left to do is I have to mask this cylinder tomorrow. I'm going to be spraying it tomorrow. I masked it up. So I just don't want this to say creep or anything just because I have the bucket sitting on a block. I don't know if this will move at all. Just don't want the tape getting sucked in the cylinder or anything. So I'll finish doing that tomorrow. Then I'm gonna spray this thing, make her look even better than new. You know, for a new unit, it's really impressive how many lights they put on these things. They have lights there, 4 up there. And here they got some big ones right there, 4 up there, then they actually have 1 down there also. I also really enjoy seeing the interiors of these things. It's like seeing a new truck or a new combine, or kind of really all depends what you're into, but I find it fascinating myself. So I am going to kind of get more in depth this go around compared to the last time when I did apply this coating. So one thing I did learn is this stuff actually cannot bite into powder coat. Powder coat is actually too hard, so this coating will not like bite into the previous coating. What will happen is it will just flake right off, just kind of like a can adhere, so it just flakes off. I'll give you a quick look of what it looks like inside the cab. 9 hours. So this is your backup monitor, joysticks. Look at all the auxiliaries. It has like this keypad thing here. Honestly, I don't really understand any of it. So I wanted to give you guys a quick look around. I'll show you what it looked like before we did it. Kind of give you a comparison of how dull the paint is without the Nylac coating on it. So you can kind of see it has virtually no shine. So I got this thing all sprayed. Time to unmask it, and I'm gonna give you guys a look of what that nylac looks like sprayed on here. So I'll do a comparison of what it looks like before you spray it. Now you can see how shiny this paint is now. So you can even tell these fenders have a gloss finish to it now that we sprayed the nylac on there. If you look at the mirrors and the lights, see how they're shiny. So one of the main reasons, or the main reason that they actually apply this coating to like this new loader or new excavator or cranes, we've done multiple units, is the potash kind of sits on it, and the salt, basically that's what potash is it's salt. So then it starts penetrating the coating, then it begins to rust. So this kind of is supposed to help it just slide right off and not let it sit in certain places as easy, and it makes it a bit harder to kind of go through the coating. As always guys, I really do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.